Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you really briefly how you can change between the pen and the cursor or select tool here in your presentations on Miro. So let us dive into this, guys. So as you can see, I'm in that example presentation here, and I can't pan, for example, along that presentation because I haven't selected the select tool. Unfortunately, the pen tool is selected, and if you're completely new to Miro, guys, you may not know it, but you can't actually do anything else apart from drawing if you accidentally selected the pen tool. Now, if you'd like to switch to the select tool, guys, simply click into it here at the top of that left sidebar and make sure that the cursor or that select tool is colored in blue, not in black, because if it's not selected in black, you won't be able to select anything. So click into it or use the shortcut V, and that is going to allow you to select elements. As you can see now, if I click off, the select tool will change the cursor to that hand so that you now can pan along your presentation by left clicking, holding your left mouse and moving your mouse. And if you'd like to switch back to the pen tool, select it here, or to draw by hand, select also or choose the shortcut P, and that is going to allow you to use the pen tool so that you can start drawing. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.